My name is Arnold van Dyk. I'm Director of Tax Services with TaxAudit, and in this video series we will be discussing different tax relief services available. In today's video we will be discussing IRS Revenue Officer case representation. Most cases that are seriously delinquent, both for individual income taxes as well as for employment tax liabilities, will get assigned to a specific IRS Revenue Officer in the area that you live. The sole purpose of this revenue officer is try to get some type of agreement for you to pay off the outstanding balance with the IRS. For individual income taxes owed, if you owe more than $250,000, your case is likely going to be assigned to an IRS revenue officer. For employment taxes owed, that threshold is much lower, as the revenue officer is assigned to determine if trust fund penalties should be assessed against individuals because of the outstanding liability. So the first step is, if the revenue officer is assigned to your case, they will send out an IRS letter explaining who they are, and they will either set up an appointment time to meet you, either at your place of business or at your home, or for a phone conversation to get started. The next step is the IRS revenue officer is going to want you to provide collection information statement as well as supporting documentation to show the IRS how much you are currently able to pay towards the outstanding balance. In employment tax cases, the IRS revenue officer is also going to request a trust fund penalty interview to determine whether the IRS is going to assess the trust fund penalty against you personally. When your case is assigned to a revenue officer, it is very important to make sure that you take procedural steps to avoid any forceful collection action. Just as with automated collection, an IRS revenue officer do need to send you a final notice of intent to levy or a notice of federal tax lien if they try to take those collection action against you. And in response to those notices, once again, you can file a request for a collection due process hearing, so that if you're not in agreement with the collection action the revenue officer is taking, you can take the case to IRS appeals. If you take a case to IRS appeals and appeals disagree with you as well, and you determine to take the case to tax court or just agree with appeals, the case will then be returned to that same collection office to determine what next steps the IRS may take against you. So that's a little bit about IRS revenue officer representation. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or visit our website. You can check out our video series on different tax relief services available on our YouTube channel. Thank you.